Slow, soft background music begins, almost like a heartbeat. Have you ever noticed how nothing in life ever stays still? The ocean waves rise and fall. The moon waxes and wanes. The seasons change. Even your breath comes and goes. What if I told you this is not random? What if I told you this is the secret rhythm of the universe, and it is shaping your life in ways you cannot yet see? Pause. Let the silence breathe. Act I, the hidden pattern. Everything moves. Everything flows. And everything returns. The universe does not progress in straight lines. It dances in circles. It breathes in cycles. From the smallest atom vibrating to the galaxies spiraling through the cosmos, the same rhythm repeats. A quiet law of motion. An invisible tide. Think about your own life. Moments of joy, followed by moments of sorrow. Opportunities appearing and fading. Times when you feel alive, and times when everything feels painfully still. This is not chaos. This is rhythm. The pulse of existence. Soft reflection, inner monologue. Why do I keep losing things, only to find something new later? Why do moments of love come, disappear, and somehow return in another form? The truth is, life is teaching you to dance with its rhythm. Act 2, the struggle against the rhythm. But here's the problem. Most of us resist it. We cling to summer when winter arrives. We fight to hold on to joy when sorrow knocks at the door. We believe growth should last forever, forgetting that rest is part of the cycle. And so, we suffer. Because when you fight rhythm, you fight reality itself. Imagine trying to hold a wave in your hands. Imagine shouting at the night sky to stop the sun from setting. The more you resist, the more life feels heavy. The more you push against the current, the more you drown in it. Inner reflection. I remember a time when I couldn't accept change. I begged for things to stay the same. But life had other plans. And when it took what I loved, I felt broken. I didn't understand then that endings are part of beginnings. The rhythm does not ask for permission. It moves, with or without you. Act 3, the revelation of rhythm. But here's where the truth becomes beautiful. If you stop resisting, if you lean into the rhythm, life begins to feel lighter. Because you finally realize, nothing is ever truly lost. It simply changes form. Day does not destroy the night. It only transforms it. Death does not end life. It feeds into something new. Every loss carries the seed of renewal. Every winter whispers the promise of spring. Pause, soft, reflective tone. And suddenly, what once felt like tragedy begins to feel like transition. Not an ending, but a turning. A rhythm carrying you forward, even when you cannot see where it leads. Act 4, the emotional conclusion. So what is the real meaning of rhythm? It is the reminder that life is not a straight path, but a dance. That every joy, every sorrow, every rise, and every fall belongs to a larger harmony. And when you learn to trust it, you stop fearing the dark. You stop clinging to the light. You begin to live in balance. Inner voice, whispering. Maybe it's not about controlling the rhythm, but feeling it. Maybe it's about learning to sway with it, instead of breaking against it. And when you do, you discover a deep truth. You are never separate from the rhythm. You are the rhythm. The heartbeat of the universe, beating through you. Music softens, final words linger. So the next time life changes, the next time something ends, or something new begins, remember, it's not chaos. It's not punishment. It's simply the rhythm, reminding you that everything flows, and everything returns. Final pause, fade out. The question is, will you learn to dance with it?